Yeah, sure.
Okay. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the orientation of Institution Innovation Council. The Institution Innovation Council, or the IIC, is an initiative by the Ministry of Education to foster a culture of innovation and a startup ecosystem in the educational institutions of our country. With its primary aim to convert ideas of today into enterprises of tomorrow, ESL Skill Hub of Jai Hind College would now like to announce that from this year onwards, we would now be working under the IIC. I would like to invite Dr. Rakhi Sharma to give us a briefing about the IIC.
Thank you very much, Ashna. So, a very warm welcome to all the members of Institute Innovation Council. As the name clearly indicates, it's innovation. So, something more than when we talk about entrepreneurship beyond that. So, innovation is something, whether I'm working for an organization, I'm working for my smallest thing of my class project, I'm working on my internship, I pick up a job, and there is like, even in my day-to-day activities, there's a lot of things which needs to be think differently. So I need to have that kind of mindset, and which is primarily a reason of Ministry of Education, where they said it's important for the higher educational institution to have this kind of creativity skills, critical thinking skills, and that can happen only if we promote the culture of innovations and help students in working towards this kind of initiatives. And that's where, so it's a government initiative, and where Jai Hind has been recognized and is a member of institution
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एज्युकेशनने सर हे केलं टायअप केलंय जय हिंद कॉलेज बरोबर.
So that happens. So that's the best thing. Someone, yeah. So that shows that people are very clear about what the government is doing. So that is where we are working towards it. So it's our Ministry of Education initiative. So what are the important things? Ashna has briefly said that, like, it's more about encouraging and building up the environment where we can promote new ideas, we can help people working on their prototypes, and we can give that kind of an ecosystem, which is extremely important. So that is the aim of IIC also, which our entrepreneurship cell at Jai Hind College was already doing for a couple of years. But this is something where we want to integrate this at a higher level. I briefly said that these are the 4 areas where, and the skills which we want our students to do by working across department, within college and outside college. Of course, earlier we were focusing more on entrepreneurial mindset, but now we're talking about a thought process which is innovative. Our design thinking, critical thinking skills also should be nurtured, and that will happen through IIC. So a lot of focus areas where we have, as far as institute is concerned, there is a mandate where we have to focus more on an innovative ecosystem. So when we talk about innovative ecosystem, it has nothing to do with infrastructure. It is more about how our students are performing, what kind of things have they done, whether they have developed those kind of skills, how we will measure those skills. So that is something which is more of an outcome expected from the students. So, and that is the thing which IIC has to do. So there will be, so how these kind of activities, these kind of skill building can be done. We will be, so there are certain activities which is given by the government only, and we will be conducting across the programs for the college, which will be related to innovation, intellectual property rights, and so many other activities, which is the ministry's initiative. Apart from that, there will be additional activities which will be run by the institute, where you all can be a member. Every student who has joined IIC is becoming a general member, which means that your name, your email ID, which you have provided in the Google form, which was sent to you, will be registered on the government portal. If we finish as an institute the required number of activities, we will get a certificate which will also involve you in the as a member. So there are various sort of activities which the team will be updating you, which the faculty will be sharing with you, and you can take part in all these activities and events. Now, what this council comprises of, I mean, when we talk about any activity, it needs to have a right composition of people. So when we look at IAC Council at Jai Hind College, we have head of the institution under whose leadership this council is formed. That's our principal, Dr. Ashok Wadia, who is always very, very innovative and always want to initiate these kind of activities. We have faculty representation across programs. I will share the faculties who are taking keen interest in building this kind of innovative ecosystem. There is expert representation, which means the council has a representation from industry who will be guiding us to work towards it and helping students to grow their ideas, work on innovative things, and help in developing the skills. And of course, the most important part is the student representation, which means all of you are a member of IAC. So when we look at IAC, this is a government mandate that if you want to create something in the innovative field, these are the areas where you should have leading experts from industry. It should be patent experts, alumni entrepreneur. You can have experts from industry, banker, investor, nearby incubation center. So these are the kind of indicative list given by the government. So we have got experts in these areas. So one of our industry expert is Mr. Peshwa Acharya. He is a founder of various organizations. He has played a key role in being at a top positions in the companies. He also has a startup. Currently, he's working on his EdTech platform. He has been CEO of IIT Bombay Research and Innovation Park Aspire. He has also been a mentor to various startups. He is a graduate from IIT Kharagpur and IIM Kolkata. The second one on our council is Ms. Azmeen Kasad. If you don't understand law, then you can't do anything. And that's absolutely very, very important. So for that, we have with us a legal consultant on the board of Jai Hind Institution Innovation Council. She is a member of Consumer Complaints Council of Advertising Standards Council of India. She is a patent expert. She guides students on IPR laws and helps students and in giving the legal advice over the years. So she's the next person who is there on the board. So who understands the student, someone who you can connect with, someone who you feel that has experienced same things in college, and the gap is not so much, right? So that's where we thought of the third person who can be an alumni entrepreneur is Mr. Shreyans Bhandari, who graduated from Jai Hind in the year 2015. But before graduating, he had his own startup, which is doing significantly well, not only in India, as well as abroad, who could raise funds, who has been recognized at different platforms. And so he is the next person who is a member of our IAC Council, so who can guide students, startups, entrepreneurs, and even empathize with them because he has lived his 3 years of life in Jai Hind College. So when it comes to faculty representation, there are faculties who will be playing different roles in these areas where we talk about innovation activity, startup activity, internship, IPR, social media. So the first member in our faculty representation is Dr. Kruti Pandya. Dr. Kruti Pandya comes up with a lot of research experiences. She is a coordinator in the Department of Biotechnology. She's a PhD in biochemistry. She has undertaken various research projects. She has always played a key role in guiding students in the research projects, in a lot of innovative activities, whether it is bio-entrepreneurship and various other areas. So she'll be helping us out with a lot of things which the students need help for, especially with reference to sciences and research part. The next person in our team is Professor Reshma Jaisinghani, expert in finance and accounts. When it comes to, and she's been in the field on entrepreneurship education for last so many years. She's a certified educator by Vadvani Foundation, National Entrepreneurship Network. She has played a key role in the entrepreneurship cell over the years. She is also, when it comes to accounts and finance, anytime, whenever the team wants help, she is more than willing to help us in this. Another faculty who we require when it comes to general management, because if you don't have a right team, if you don't have a right set of understanding what kind of management is required when we have to work on the projects, whether it is in the company or outside or otherwise, then we have with us Professor Prateek Kumar, who's a faculty of banking and finance. He has guided so many students for their research projects and has always played a key role in various conferences and seminars, and has been very close to the students and is always there to support students even after college hours. So that is where we have another innovative faculty in our team. Of course, I am very much there as a part of Institute Innovation Council. I'm heading Management Studies Department and also a convener of Incubation Center. And we have with us, when it comes to any startup, any venture, any such thing, we need some, you can't do if you don't understand media very well. And that's where we have with us Mr. Sai Prasad Shetty, who is a joint coordinator of one of our renowned program in Jai Hind College, which is Bachelor of Mass Media. He has played a key role in guiding students in various media-related projects, advertising, and journalism. So if we need that kind of an understanding wherever and with reference to public relation and corporate communication, then we have with us Mr. Sai Prasad Shetty. So that's it all from my side. We are looking forward to work with everybody and trying together to ensure that the Institute Innovation Council can create impact for all the students and the community and the organization. So Ashna, that's it from my side.
Thank you, ma'am, for the briefing. We